Alright, in this video, guys, we're going to take in what was split unit. We're going to take in this what was the split unit here. I'm leaving the 10 shred. We'll take is this copper number 2. That's the motors, the fan motors, condenser motors, that's all that. I'll take in that Bear Bright because that wire came with it. That wire came with it. I'm not stripping that because that's that 3-ply singles. I'm not dealing with all that. And that wire came with it. I didn't clean those coils because I ain't got time. I ran out of time today. And there's a copper number 1, which I'm going to get out of it. Those came out of these coils right here. So let's see what we get with that. And that little bit of brass. That also came with the mini split that we had here. So let's take this stuff in. We'll see what we get here in the video. And we'll go from there. Here comes the footage of how I did it. Here, when you cut it, see the black brown one right there? I gotta get you some baby snips and then cut this one right here. It's close enough. Oh, wait, come on. There you go, squeeze. Too much coffee. Jeez. Jeebus. So you're on the computer, pal. We're gonna make that whole corner stacked up back here. Watch. All e-waste. Yeah. It ain't even wonky, I'll tell you that. I guess I'll take all this stuff out first. Let's see what we gotta do here. Come on, Shaky. Look at that. Thick and juicy. Yeah, let me get my cutters. 12 gigs, huh? Lovely. I'm gonna use anyway. Beautiful. So there I go. Oh. I'm tired, apparently. I'll just use the little ones on that. Had a bee's nest in it. I'll get in there. Maybe not. Where's the wheel to do it? already breaking there. Any extension. Any extensions. I'll show you what I'm about to do. Coming off, whatever, it happens. Golly. Can't dry angle. I take a fan blade off of these. I'll just cut off. Please, round it a bit. Okay, let's cut it off. I'm just trying to build up. I don't want to do that. Just now heard your button. Yep. You said yep after you hit the button. Alright, a couple people just posted some stuff. Here's the totals. We did 150. These prices are just, I guess you'd say, the national average. This is the lower paying yard because it's close. Here's the breakdown of these copper aluminum coils. I'm getting $149 a pound at that yard. 19 pounds would be $28.31. Okay. When I separated number one, it was $34, and luckily these two equaled 19. 9 on the aluminum, 10 on the number one, so that equaled 19 pounds perfectly. All right. At any rate, $34.20, $270 for the aluminum. That's $36 minus the $28.30 for 19 pounds, $12.60. It took me 19 pounds. I did that stuff in 13, 14 minutes in the shade. And I actually cut them with the blade because these were thinner. It was a lot easier. You know what I'm saying? So it's just something to consider. Something to consider. It's 3 o'clock. It's mid-afternoon here in Texas. I'm going in the house. And tomorrow we'll go spend this $150 on some more scrap. How about that? Till the next one, smash that thumbs up. Throw me a share. Check my TikTok. That thing's blowing up like crazy, y'all. Love you guys.